Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change a drive letter of a USB drive in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Drive letter G is allotted to USB drive. Right-click this PC, click Manage. Click Disk Management. Right-click Removable Drive. Click Change Driver Letter and Paths. Click Change. Change any drive letter. Click OK. Click Yes to continue. Drive letter changed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.